Only doing FCT functional testing for PCBA? Be careful of batch failures. Many people think FCT is enough, but FCT mainly verifies the overall board function, such as power on, voltage, current, and communication logic. But hidden issues like open circuits, short circuits, may not always be detected by FCT. If these problems are not caught earlier, they may become after-sales failures in the customer's hands. So in PCBA testing, not every order should rely only on FCT. Especially for prototypes, low-volume and high-mix PCBA orders, where revisions are frequent and batches change quickly, flying probe testing is more flexible. It does not require a dedicated ICT test fixture and can check PCB nets, open and short circuits, key solder joints, and some component parameters. This makes it suitable for early-stage verification and frequent design changes. When the order moves into stable batch production, ICT testing is better for improving test efficiency. It can electrically test components such as resistors, capacitors, inductors, and diodes, quickly identifying defects like open circuits, short circuits, missing parts, and wrong components. FCT is used to test the board under load, verifying voltage, current, communication logic, and final performance. So PCBA testing is not just about doing FCT. For high-mix, low-volume orders, flying probe testing plus FCT can be a better choice. For stable batch production, ICT plus FCT is more suitable. This helps ensure both circuit-level quality and functional performance, instead of leaving hidden risks to the customer. When you place a PCBA order, does your factory only do FCT? Or does it choose the right test plan based on the product stage, using flying probe, ICT, and FCT?